Okay, I just wanted to do a quick video here for Facebook lists like we were talking about before. So when I go into Facebook, into my main feed here, I see people's, the feed that I go to, and then I see on the side shortcuts and explore. If I go over to see more and explore, I will see friend lists. If I click on that, I've got agents at Main Street, acquaintances, close friends, buddies, and restricted. If I click on, these are ones that I've created. Actually, I think close friends might be something that Facebook does automatically by people that you connect with, but other ones I've um, put there myself. So if I hit create list and I say sample, and oh, here's where I actually add people. Okay, so I want to add Janelle from the office. I want to add Mary from the office. I want to add Allison. And I want to add Richard, let's say. So I put the people in there. This is where you'd be adding your client list. Your name wouldn't be sample, it'd be clients, let's say. And hit create. I actually get if I, okay, go back to Facebook front page. I go here to under explore, see more. I go to friends list and then I click on sample. And I'm now going to get recent activity. I only added 4 people, so there's only one person that's posted. Janelle wrote happy birthday to somebody recently, but I would get a list of all of the recent stuff of people just in that list. So if this was your clients and you put in 100 different people here, and let's say I wanted to add Daryl to this list and then refresh it. Daryl hasn't posted anything recently, so I guess it goes back about 24 hours, but the more people I add, the more things that are going to be in this list.